Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you how to make this paper airplane from this. Let's get started. Take this white piece of paper, fold it in half. Open the page like a book, and then take this corner, fold it onto the crease. Do the same on both sides. Take this corner, right here, and fold it onto the crease in the middle of the page, as so. Okay. Take the other side, do the same. Make sure this tip, or this corner, is nice and sharp. So make sure that your wings are going to be nice and sharp. Alright, so you take this tip, and you fold it in right here. Alright, so you take this maybe about 2 centimeters up or something like that. You can measure all of these measures if you want, but I haven't taken the time to do it, so fold it like this. And fold it in. Now sharpen all your wings. And the tip. Yeah. Now you make the wings. Okay, make sure they're even, make sure they're the same. Okay, unfold the wings. Then if you want to make your plane even better, add wingtips. So you must be wondering, why would you ever put a wingtips on a paper plane? Well, first of all, it adds for stability, and in my opinion, it looks cool. So I'm going to put them. You can measure how big you want them, but I didn't do that, again, because it comes out just fine without measuring. Here's your plane. If you like this video, or you want to see more of these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to the channel, Aviation Corner. See you later, guys.